Looking for a fun and rewarding way to earn extra cash? Imagine playing games in your downtime and actually getting paid for it. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because we're about to uncover the best game apps that pay you real money. Up to 4,000 a month while you're having fun. So how do these apps work? Let's break it down. Advertisements. Watch a quick ad and boom, you earn points or cash. Advertisers pay the app and the app shares that with you. In-app purchases. Some players buy upgrades and those funds go towards rewards for everyone else. Sponsorships. Big brands fund your rewards in exchange for exposure. Skill-based tournaments. Show off your skills in paid competitions and win cash prizes. Most apps pay you through PayPal, direct deposits, or gift cards, making it super easy to cash out. Now let's dive into the top 6 game apps where you can actually make money. Ready? Let's go! Get rewarded for playing games with Misplay. Love gaming? What if you could get rewarded just for playing? Say hello to Misplay, the ultimate loyalty program for gamers on Android. Misplay lets you earn points every time you play games within their app. And the best part? You can redeem those points for awesome gift cards to places like Amazon, Visa, and Google Play. The longer you play, the more points you earn. Misplay features a unique loyalty program structure. So the more consistent you are, the faster your points build up. Misplay has partnered with over 100 mobile game developers, offering a huge variety of games to choose from. Whether you're into puzzles, strategy, or adventure, there's something for everyone. So why just play games when you can get rewarded for it? Download Misplay today and turn your gaming time into gift cards and rewards. Play more, earn more, what are you waiting for? Next in the line is Swagbucks. With Swagbucks, you can earn points for playing games, completing surveys, and even shopping online. Over $600 million in rewards have been paid out to users so far. Why not grab your slice of the pie? Get paid to play games with InboxDollars. Imagine earning real cash while playing games. With InboxDollars, it's not just a dream, it's a reality. Operating since 2000, InboxDollars has become a trusted rewards platform that pays you to have fun. From card games and puzzles to exciting casino-style games, InboxDollars offers something for every type of gamer. Plus, you can even try your luck with scratch-off cards or take a spin on the spin-to-win game for a chance to earn extra cash. Here's the best part. InboxDollars pays you in cash, not points. You can cash out once you've earned a minimum of $15, making it easy to turn your playtime into payday. Do you love competition? What if you could turn your gaming skills into real cash? With Skillz games, you can join tournaments, showcase your talents, and win real money while having fun. Skillz offers a variety of games for every type of player, from puzzle lovers to strategy masterminds. Dive into tournaments, compete against other players, and climb the leaderboards. Getting started is easy. Enter tournaments with a small entry fee, and you could walk away with big cash prizes. Plus, Skillz also offers free practice tournaments, so you can hone your skills before jumping into the competition. Here's the kicker. Skillz awards over 100 million in prizes every month. With 27 million active players and 4 million daily tournaments, Skillz is one of the biggest platforms for skill-based cash gaming. So what are you waiting for? Download Skillz games today and take your shot at winning real cash while having fun. Your next big win is just a game away. Next in the line is Bingo Clash. Do you love bingo? What if your favorite game could also earn you real cash? With Bingo Clash, you can turn your bingo skills into money while having fun competing against others. Bingo Clash lets you join real-time bingo rounds where you compete for cash prizes and tickets that can be redeemed for even bigger rewards. It's bingo like you've never played before. Exciting, competitive, and rewarding. With a 4.5-star rating on the App Store, Bingo Clash is trusted by players worldwide. And with multiple secure payment options, including PayPal, Apple Pay, Visa, American Express, and Venmo, getting your winnings is quick and easy. Ready to test your bingo skills and win cash? Download Bingo Clash today and join the excitement. Who knows, your next game could be your big win. Do you like our content so far? If you like it, please like, share, subscribe our channel for more videos. Comment below if you know any other apps which pays money. Let's navigate to other exciting apps for both pleasure and earn money. Are you a fan of Solitaire? Imagine turning your love for this classic card game into real cash rewards. With Solitaire Cube, you can compete in head-to-head matches and tournaments to win big. Solitaire Cube lets you enter cash tournaments where your skills can earn you prizes. Simply pay a small entry fee, play your best game, and compete to be one of the top players who share the winnings. Tired of ads? Solitaire Cube is completely ad-free, so you can focus on what matters most, your game. It's the perfect choice for competitive solitaire enthusiasts. Don't just take our word for it. Solitaire Cube boasts high ratings on both the Apple App Store and Google Play. Thousands of players trust this app to deliver a smooth and rewarding gaming experience. Winning is exciting, but getting paid is even better. Solitaire Cube offers a rigorous payout process, ensuring your winnings are transferred securely and quickly. Ready to put your solitaire skills to the test? Download Solitaire Cube now and start playing for real cash prizes. Your next win could be just a game away. Looking for a fun way to discover new game and earn rewards at the same time? Meet AppStation, the app that lets you play, achieve, and get rewarded. Unlike other apps, AppStation rewards you for specific achievements and level completions, not just for time spent playing. It's all about how far you can go. Earn rewards like gift cards from your favorite brands, Amazon, Google Play, Nike, Walmart, and more. Or opt for a direct PayPal payout. The choice is yours. Here's the best part. AppStation is completely free to download. No in-app purchases and absolutely no ads. Just pure uninterrupted fun while you rack up rewards. With a solid rating on Android platforms, AppStation is trusted by gamers around the world as a reliable way to earn rewards while exploring exciting new games. Ready to level up your playtime? Download AppStation now and start earning real rewards for doing what you love. Playing games. Don't wait. Your next reward is just a game away. The bottom line? Game apps that pay real money are a fun and easy way to earn a little extra cash. While they're not a substitute for a full-time income, they're a great way to monetize your downtime doing something you already love. Playing games? Explore different apps to find the ones that match your style and preferences. And don't forget, maximize your earnings by using multiple apps and keeping an eye out for bonus rewards. Download, play, and get paid. What are you waiting for? Let the games and the earnings begin. Thanks for watching. See you in the games. Subscribe our channel for more tips on earning and saving money.